What if I told you that right now, somewhere in the world, someone is trying to break into a system just like yours, not with force, but with knowledge? Your social media, your emails, and even your personal data could be at risk, and that sounds scary, but here is something even more interesting. What if, instead of being the target, you became the person who understands how these attacks actually work? Hey, everyone, welcome back to the channel today. We are diving deep into the real world of hackers, not the fake movie version, but the real thinkers, the problem solvers, the people who understand technology better than most. And before we go further, this video is only for educational purposes. We are talking about ethical hacking, the legal way to learn cybersecurity and build a powerful career. A hacker is not always a criminal. A hacker is simply someone who understands systems deeply and knows how to find weaknesses. There are different types of hackers. Some use their skills for illegal activities, but others use the same skills to protect companies, governments, and millions of users around the world. And those are called ethical hackers, or white hat hackers. They are the good guys, and they are in huge demand today. The most important thing you need to understand is that hacking is not about tools. It is about mindset. Hackers think differently. They do not just use apps. They question everything. They ask why something works, what happens if something changes, where a system can fail, and how it can be improved. This curiosity is what separates normal users from real hackers. Now, if you want to start your journey, the first step is to build strong basics. You need to understand how the internet works, how data travels, what networks are, and how systems communicate with each other. After that, you should start learning programming. And one of the best languages to begin with is Python, because it is simple, powerful, and widely used in cybersecurity. Then you should get comfortable with operating systems, especially Linux, because it gives you more control and helps you understand how systems work at a deeper level. Along with that, you need to learn cybersecurity fundamentals, like how phishing attacks work, what malware is, and how vulnerabilities are found. But always remember, you are learning this to defend, not to attack. Once you have the basics, you should start practicing your skills in a legal environment. There are platforms online where you can solve security challenges and test your knowledge in a safe way. These challenges are like puzzles that help you think like a hacker and improve your problem-solving skills. Step by step, you will start understanding how real-world systems work and how they can be secured. But let me be very clear. Using these skills in the wrong way can destroy your future. Illegal hacking can lead to serious consequences, including legal action, fines, and even jail time. So always stay on the right path. Use your knowledge to build something valuable, because the same skills can either make you a criminal or a highly paid professional. In today's digital world, cybersecurity is one of the fastest growing fields, and companies are constantly looking for skilled ethical hackers who can protect their systems and data. So if you stay consistent, keep learning, and never lose your curiosity, you can build an amazing career in this field. At the end of the day, hackers are not just people sitting behind computers. They are thinkers, learners, and problem solvers. And if you have the passion to understand how things work and the discipline to keep improving, you can become one of them. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what topic you want next. And I will see you in the next video.